Okay, we saw the start of this next video.
It looks like the last one, but worse.
Yeah, it looks like one bottle jar. Holy shit.
I really don't want to watch it, but I have to. I have to watch. Just start it.
Octopus face.
I want to get this over with.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
This guy stuck a screwdriver
in
a certain spot.
Oh
What's in there? Bleeding. Oh no! Oh no! That's the worst thing ever. Oh! It just like. Did you see that last part?
Yeah.
Right.
Oh my god.
There's blood everywhere. There's blood everywhere.
My penis hurts. Like, really bad. Just from watching that.
It was just like. I had to add that in there. Super W. Super W.
Dom pose.
Nom pose. And that's it.
Goodbye.